welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Now this is number 3, the third video of the short, quick, and sweet video reviews of the Little Wig Museum wigs that I'm sharing right now. I have 4 of them, 1 more to go. This third one is absolutely beautiful. This is Paris 22 inch, another really gorgeous long one. I love this very trendy and in style. You have these loose waves going on here and this gorgeous balayage look with this blonde. You have a little bit darker tone up top. I wouldn't say this is rooted. You kind of have a darker neutral blonde-ish light brown up top that blends into some lighter blonde ends, as you can see. And I love how these curls are nice and loose and flowy. This is a style that you would see a lot of people wearing right now, just those loose, casual, gorgeous waves. Now this is 22 inches, but you do see that there are layering going on here, which pairs gorgeous with these loose waves. It really makes these loose waves defined and just so pretty. In fact, let's do a full turnaround so you can see this gorgeous style from all angles. Now this is a fashion wig by Little Wig Museum, and this is synthetic fiber. You have this gorgeous lace front, as you can see, and a middle part. This is what they call a T-part wig. And you do have some pre-cut little baby hairs up front that can help the whole style look more realistic because, you know, most people have some baby hairs up at the front hairline. Now let's take this beauty off and show you guys the underside of the cap construction. This is that T-part wig. You have, you know, temple to temple lace. So this is hand-tied. You have this hand-tied section from one ear tab all the way over to the next ear tab. And then you have this middle part that is also individually hand-tied. That makes it so it looks like this hair is growing out of your scalp where it parts, as you can see. Now look at that gorgeous color. You see the mixture of tones within this shade. It's very, very pretty. You have these light blondes, you have dark blondes, and then it melts into these lighter tones at the ends, creating this just really pretty on-trend color. It looks like you went to a salon and had this done by a professional. So, so pretty. You have closed wefting throughout the rest of this cap, and then you do have some combs, 3 combs to slide into your wig grip, your wig cap, your bio hair to keep this wig in place. You do have your adjusters at the napes. You can loosen and tighten this wig and make it fit your head more true to size. I'd say this is an average size cap. It fits me really well. It's comfortable. I would say this density is medium. It's thicker and fuller up top, and then as it's layered towards the ends, it thins out. It's really, really pretty. Okay, let's put her back on. Now, what do you guys think about this gorgeous Paris wig, 22 inch from the Little Wig Museum? I really love this style. I think it's pretty, it's on trend. It makes me feel like summertime. I really, really love it. I love the length as well. It doesn't feel overly bulky. I don't even believe that it looks so bulky that it looks fake. Some wigs can be so thick that they have a very wiggy appearance. I don't feel like this wig has that. It's nice and smooth, soft. The fibers look good. They're not shiny. So I am impressed with these fashion wigs from the Little Wig Museum. I will have the link down below to this here wig and the links to the Little Wig Museum and her social media platforms so you can check out what she has available. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know. And until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye.